So, naghahanap tayo ng magaganap as Lena, the VA na frustrated. So, from the team, papa-actingin natin sila lahat.
What?
Titignan natin kung sino ang mga best actors. 5 times, ano yun? 5 times better daw from our previous movie. So, let's do it!
Flashback.
Dapat 5 times better than
All out!
Wala. Paano frustrated tita nga ni?
Ika, tigsararong
Paano
arte.
frustrated?
Next.
Next, paano frustrated? Paano frustrated?
What?
Nag-ismile talaga.
Paano frustrated? Frustrated. Bagay naihi.
Then,
Paano frustrated?
Oh yeah.
Pwede. Palitan na ang bida.
ano frustrated?
Nice.
Ali, ano frustrated?
Paano frustrated?
Iniisip ko na.
Yan lang.
Sige nga. One, two.
Frustrated na yan. Frustrated na yan.
Ito na frustrated yan.
Paano frustrated? Frustrated.
What?
Yan guys ang acting namin. Walang pumasa.
Ano dito ang bago mag-actress? Casting director. Audition. Casting director. Satisfied
Next
ka ba?
ano, memo
End of flashback.
Our first contestant.
The 5 times.
The 5 times. Beatable.
So, ang scene for natin guys ay Lena with her laptop open is working while nervously watching her phone, waiting for the payment notification. On the other video, Megan tries multiple ways to get the payment through dealing with error message,
yeah.
phone calls, and growing pile of tasks. So, yun ang ipoportray. Are you ready?
Ano yung bongga? Binasa.
Take what?
Slipper.
Asan shoes mo? Tingnan ko natin.
Gusto ko flip phone.
Oo nga, wala mo pala ulit. Dahil din siya nag-
Best talaga yan.
Tapos.
Cut!
Very good.
Straight ka na, nasa laptop ka pa lang. Di ba?
Basta pag ako cellphone, nagsawa.
Hindi. Na-frustrate na yan ka pa lang sa laptop.
Pag nakita mo ng cellphone at
Oo, nag-chat-chatan ako kanina.
Dahil nauna ka ma-frustrate habang nagla-laptop.
Baka kay direct.
Take two. Type lang muna. Get your phone. Check your phone. Sakto.
Tapos mo ang cellphone.
Cut! Sorry, but you may try your audition next time.